Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. भरपूर पावस पडटा हिंगासर आजुनी फेस्टिवल सीजन. तर हांव म्हापसा गेल्ली आनी म्हापसा सोटया म्हाका मेवल्यो लेपो आनी ह्यो आमच्यो फर्स्ट लेपो ह्या सिजनाक. तर हांवें चिंतलें कितें तुमकां दाखोवपाक हेजें. तर पयलीं हांव तुमकां सुटी करूंक दाखयता. So today I had gone to Mapsa market, that is a Friday market, and I got this SoleFish, Lepo in Konkani and Sole in English. So I will show you how to clean, and it's like fresh, muddy. First we have to wash this nicely. So I will wash this now. So here it is. So now this was the first to come for this season, so it was very expensive. 600 rupees kg they were asking for. Otherwise it is very cheap in Goa, and I got it like for quarter kg, this is 200 I paid. So and I don't like the bigger sole fish. You get bigger size also. For me it is tasteless. I don't like that. I like either more smaller than this or this size. That's it. This is the size what I love from my childhood. In market you get the bigger versions also, but no, I don't prefer that. So let's clean this now. And to clean this, see, the smaller size is like this you get, which is also tasty, and then it is like little bit medium, and then this, and you get a big one, mama sole. So to clean, you have to catch this gland and you pull like this, and then take this in a pinch and just pull this. Okay, same way with the other side. So only cleaning part is remove the skin, and then you have to only chop the head. Okay, so same way we have to do for the other ones. And what I was saying, some like to keep this, but some don't like to keep, then just chop it. That's it. Ready to make whatever you want to make, curry, fry, rava fry, whatever. And if some doesn't like this sides, then also you can just cut it with a scissor or like this. But when you fry this, it is crispy and tasty. So this is how it is clean. One more I'll show you. Have you ever tried SoleFish? This is my childhood, one of the favorite. Actually, I am fish lover. I love fish, and whether it is with thorns, without thorns, I just love it. And I have grown in Goa since my childhood with my grandparents and my parents, and our neighbors were all like, the village where I grew is Kalangat, Paga side. Beach was just 2 minutes away. So for me, like the neighbors, there was like upper village and we were in the down village. Upper village were all fisher man people, families staying, And then we used to go every morning with our siblings when we were big, just to touch the boat, and we used to get free fish. Yes. And the neighbors, whenever they get extra fish, they used to just give us whatever. Like, I think so we never spend money much on fish those days, what we are spending now. But still Goa is not that expensive than the other places, for fish at least. So this is my story I told you. Every person will have different stories. Okay, so this is how what you have to clean this. Then I will show you what to do next. Let's make Lepo curry, that is sole curry. So I have taken around 10 lepos. You can take as much as you want. I have taken 10 lepos, that is sole fish, half coconut, that is 100 gram, or the oil. And then what we need for our masala is this. I've taken 5 Kashmiri red chilies, few flakes of garlic. Few flakes means it is like small pod of garlic. Okay, so it is like around 13 flakes of garlic, a small ball of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. You can add coriander powder also. 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, so now we have to grind this all, and this is again without oil. Okay, here is a masala paste is ready, so we can make now curry out of this. So we have to no oil. So let's add this paste in this. Add water how much you need accordingly. Salt to taste. Like 1 cup of water. If you need more, then you can add more. So I have applied salt to this and kept. So salt again for this, apply a little lesser because it gets absorbed fast. So now we'll add this over here, salt to taste, and we'll keep this for cooking. So I think so it's still thick, so I will be adding a little bit more water to this. So another 1 cup of water. Yeah, so 2 cups is added. This is okay. So let one boil come, then we will add our fish. The fish takes only and only like few seconds, even the sole fish. Just maybe 2-3 minutes and it's done. This is optional. This is our tefal, that is Shezwan, Indian Shezwan pepper, but it is optional. So the curry is getting a boil. So here at this point I will add my tefal, that is tefa. And mix well. Okay, and we'll check our salt also. Okay, and at this point when we are getting a boil, we'll add our fish to this. Lepo. Lepo curry is so yum. So we'll add our curry fish to this and just quickly it will be done. And let it get cooked for few minutes and we'll close the gas. Okay. So here is our fish curry ready. It's cooked. I'll put off my gas and it's done because I don't want to cook this, overcook the fish. Okay, it's done, cooked nicely because it is the flesh is very thin and it gets cooked fast. So hope you all will enjoy this lepo curry. That is a Goan traditional. This is traditional recipe again of Goan, an authentic recipe of Goan Lepo curry. And enjoy and try and make this curry. म्हणटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आमची ट्रेडिशनल ऑथेंटीक गोवन कोडी जी जावन आसा लेफांची कोडी. इन इंग्लीश इट इज सोल करी. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं. म्हणटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली बरी गरम गरम शिता बरोबर. सी वन्स दिस इज कम अप इट्स डन. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.